The concept of a relational bank account is a metaphor for the emotional connection of a relationship. Relational deposits are positive actions that build connection and intimacy, like acts of kindness, listening, and spending quality time. Withdrawals are negative actions that erode connection and intimacy, such as criticism, neglect, or broken trust. Just as in a physical bank account, a consistent surplus of positive deposits is needed to balance out the necessary but occasional withdrawals, fostering a secure and resilient relationship built on trust and mutual understanding. So what are relational deposits? Deposits are investments in the relationship to build trust, safety, and connection. Some of the best deposits are tied to a partner's language of love, and learning your partner's love language is a great way to focus your efforts. Examples might be service, showing love and care through practical, selfless actions that make your partner's life easier. Small everyday gestures of kindness like helping with chores, providing support, or easing a burden. Time, engaging in activities together, having sincere conversations, and creating positive shared experiences. Listening, showing interest by asking questions and truly listening to understand your partner's perspective. Touch, expressing and receiving love through touch such as hugs, hand-holding, and cuddling can be a powerful way to build emotional intimacy and connection. Encouragement, providing positive words and support, especially when your partner is facing challenges. And gifts. This expression of love isn't about the cost of the gift itself, but the emotional significance of the gift. Even a small, meaningful gift can show how much you care for and appreciate your partner. So what are relational withdrawals? Withdrawals are negative interactions that deplete the relational account, creating distance and potential resentment. Examples of this are criticism and negativity, so using harsh words or negative emotions to communicate, not listening, ignoring your partner and making them feel unimportant, broken trust, canceling plans, deceiving, betraying, or otherwise not following through on commitments, lack of apology, not taking responsibility or apologizing for mistakes. So why is the relational bank account important? Here's a few reasons. 1, it builds trust. Consistent deposits establish reliability and show you are invested in the relationship. 2, it fosters safety. A strong relational bank account creates a sense of safety, allowing for resilience and compassion even during conflict. 3, reduces conflict. When the relational account is full, a necessary withdrawal, like constructive feedback, is less likely to be perceived as a threat. And 4, prevents overdraft and bankruptcy. Too many withdrawals without enough deposits can overdraw the account, leading to distance, defensiveness, and difficulty in healing. So in summary, you must be aware of your actions and intentionally make more positive deposits than withdrawals to keep the relationship healthy and thriving. Dr. John Gottman, a world-renowned researcher on the subject, suggests a 5-to-1 ratio of deposits versus withdrawals during conflicts, an even higher ratio of 20-to-1 for interactions during everyday life. It's the small daily interactions, not grand gestures, that make the biggest difference in maintaining a healthy emotional balance.